Hi, it's Lynette Sorensen with Twin Power Real Estate Group. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the first steps when you're planning to buy a home. I would say the biggest thing to do is to first talk to your lender. You need to be pre-approved to find out what you qualify for, as in like how much house can you buy? Can you hit 200,000? Can you hit 300,000? That sort of thing. And also when you talk to your lender, they're gonna be able to discuss, what price point do you want to actually pay on a monthly basis. So it's really like know your numbers and know what you're comfortable with. And then, of course, be ready for the roller coaster ride of what I call house shopping. So right now, our market is pretty aggressive. So when we're out looking at houses, one you look at today could already be gone by tonight. So you really have to have your ducks in a row, and you have to be prepared when you see the house you love, that you might have to put an offer in there today. So it's not that I'm pressuring you, it's not that I'm pushing you, it's like if you love this house, for you to get this house, you really do need to, act on it. And you know what? You made the decision, you want to buy a house, so let's go get you a house. Then of course, always make a plan for moving. Not only you're gonna move, you know this. So start selling stuff on Facebook Marketplace if you don't want to have it in the new house. Start taking things to Goodwill, because if you don't need it or don't use it, why move it to the new house and have that cluttered? On top of that, you're going to want to pack up. You're going to want to organize your place, because you're not going to be living in this house anymore. Remember that. So you want to organize, pack it up. You know what? You're going to be moving. Put it in a box or a tote. Mark it for the next house, wherever you're going to be, and be prepared and organize. It makes it a lot less stressful if you already know what you have and have eliminated all of those extra items that you have, and makes it easier to move. Costs less too. The other thing you kind of have to think about when you're working with your lender is asking them, can you move without selling your home? If you can write a contingency-free offer, not contingent on the sale of your home, it gives you a cleaner offer for the house that you want to move to. So if they can bridge, if there's some other way that they can, your lender can work out that financing, it's a good thing to know. If you get qualified that you don't have to sell your house prior to moving, you can actually take a week or so, however long, couple weeks, however long you want to move to the new house, go back to the old house, clean it up, and then we'll list it for you and get that one sold too. Thanks again. This is Lynette Sorensen with Twin Power Real Estate, and have a great day.